Hi there, students. Proscenium. The proscenium. Okay, this is a word from the theatre. So you know in a theatre there's a curtain, and normally there's a little bit of space on the stage in front of the curtain. That is the proscenium. Okay, so it's the bit where perhaps somebody comes and talks to you. They stand there with a microphone and talk to you with the curtain behind them and tell you about what you're going to see or what's going to happen. That is the proscenium. You've also got the phrase the proscenium arch, and this is the frame round the curtain. Okay, so this is the bit that you see through into the play. You see what is actually happening. So the proscenium, it's the part of a theatre in front of the curtain. Very often in a theatre you might have a comedian who sits in the proscenium and tells you jokes, or the compere who presents and tells you what you're going to see, again in the proscenium. Okay, and then the proscenium arch, it's the arch that frames the opening between the auditorium and the stage. Normally you've got the curtain, then you've got the proscenium, and then the orchestra pit, and then the audience. Okay, and this is the idea of the proscenium. It's the area between the curtain and the orchestra pit, effectively. In an ancient theatre, it's the stage area in front of the scene building. Okay, but the proscenium, and the proscenium arch, the arch round where the curtain is going to be hung. Okay, so proscenium, the area located between the curtain and the orchestra pit, if there is one, or the bit that people can stand on without raising the curtain. They can stand on and be seen. Somebody comes through the curtain and then standing in the proscenium. So, formality, fairly formal. 7, informality, used in a semi-formal conversation. Yeah, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And then as to origin, before, and skene in Greek, stage, before the stage. Proskenion in ancient Greek. So, proscenium. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Proscenium.